Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the new yield farming Dapp on Binance Smart Chain. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. BNB Fort is an innovative yield farming system built on the Binance Smart Chain. The project adds a new twist to the idea of yield farming with the goal of giving everyone on the network a reward. BNB Fort is made to last and keep going for a long time. In fact, the project is safe and no flaws in the smart contract have been found so far. So here are the rewards. This holiday season, BNB Fort is giving out a lot of rewards, including 100 BNB or more to investors and people who did their part to help the BNB Fort community grow. The team has also decided to give 6% cashback to the first 50 users who put at least 1 BNB into the contract. BNB also gives stake bonuses to investors as a way to thank them for their hard work and loyalty. Every 24 hours, the basic stake bonus is 2%, and the personal hold bonus is 0.1%, but the second one can't be changed. Lastly, there are the bonuses for the whole community. This bonus gives 20,000 participants who are actively investing 0.1% of their investment portfolios. How to begin with BNB Fort. You can create a wallet by downloading either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Put Binance Smart Chain on your list of networks. Get BNB. Buy BNB on a market that is Binance. Move BNB to the address of your wallet. BEP20 addresses begin with the letter OX. Connect your wallet. That is, click Connect Wallet at the top of the site, confirm the action, and then you should see the numbers of your wallet. Make a deposit. Click the button that says Deposit. In the new window, type the amount, click Deposit again, and confirm the action. Get dividends. You have made a deposit successfully. Now you will get dividends every second, which you can take out at any time by clicking the withdraw button. Bonus programs and referral program. BNB Fort has a referral program that lets you make money while you sleep. With the referral program, you try to get your friends and family to sign up for the BNB Fort network. For each person you get to sign up, you get a referral bonus. Your bonus will be added right away to your wallet balance and you can take it out at any time. So here are the different levels and the bonuses you can get at each one. Level 1, 7%. Level 2, 3%. Level 3, 1.5%. Level 4, 1%. Level 5, 0.5%. Level 6, also 0.5%. Level 7, 0.5%. Level 8, 0.5%. Level 9 and 10, also giving you 0.5%. So one will ask, what's BNB Fort? On the Binance Smart Chain, BNB Fort is a new yield fund. It's a project that lets investors get passive income from their BNB tokens by staking them. The idea to design and build BNB forts came from the desire to have a system for distributing BNB that was honest, fair, and clear. No one is better than anyone else at BNB forts. Every participant is equal, and the project has been properly audited by Hayes Crypto, an independent audit company with a good reputation in the cryptocurrency space. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't also forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.